In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch the Wix Editor Layout Workspace tool inside Chrome and find Google Reviews display options in the Wix app market. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your Wix site dashboard so you can access the editor. Once you're there, launch the Wix Editor Layout Workspace. This is the main area where you build and manage the design of your website, so make sure the editor is fully loaded before moving on. Giving it a moment to finish loading can help avoid delays or missing interface elements, especially if your connection is a little slow. When the editor is open, direct your attention to the menu track on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Wix places many of the core tools used to customize your site, including design elements, apps, and layout features. On that left menu, click the Wix App Market Drawer utility panel icon. This opens the App Market, which is where you can browse and add extra features to your website without needing to build them from scratch. After the App Market panel opens, move to the search area and type in Google Reviews or in Social Reviews. Searching for either of these terms will help bring up review and verification display layouts that can be added to your site. These tools are often used to showcase customer feedback, add social proof, and make your website feel more trustworthy to visitors. If one search term does not immediately show the result you want, try the other term exactly as shown, since app listings can vary slightly depending on how they are categorized inside the marketplace. As the results appear, look through the available review display options carefully. The goal at this stage is simply to bring up those verification style layouts so you can identify the one that best fits your website's design and purpose. Take a second to compare how the app titles and previews are presented, since this can help you quickly recognize the most relevant option. That's all you need to do for this process. You've opened the Wix editor in Chrome, accessed the Wix app market from the left side menu, and searched for Google Reviews or in Social Reviews to locate review display layouts. If you're following along, you should now be at the point where those options are visible and ready for you to review inside Wix.